Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Tuesday, Taco Tuesday, and it is Taco Tuesday in the Casual Chef's Kitchen today. Let's go over yesterday. It was a busy day in this kitchen, but it was fun. I had a lot of fun. Yesterday, I baked actually two loaves, pineapple and zucchini loaf. I just had some. Oh, it's really good. Yummy. Like I said, there's two loaves. One went to the office with Robin. Yeah, the ladies will enjoy it. I also, after that, I put together the sweet pea salad. I've changed the name a little bit to go with last night's dinner, which was very simple, old-fashioned hot dogs. Yeah. Today, it is Taco Tuesday, and I'm doing jerk shrimp tacos with a pineapple salsa. Make sure you get the words right. All right, let's get to it. Tonight is very simple. It's a one-pan dish. Got some shrimp, which I still need to clean, which will take me a few minutes. Be using my jerk seasoning blend, avocado, a little bit of oil, some kosher salt, black pepper, lime, a 8-ounce can of pineapple, which I'll dice, some cilantro, a jalapeno, some red bell pepper, red onion, and I'm not sure which size tortillas we're going to go, but they are going to be flour. Again, this house does not eat or enjoy corn tortillas, so pick at me all you want. Today should be a very simple and relaxing day. Robin does have a meeting, a Zoom meeting here at the house at 6:30. So, yeah, dinner will be ready when she gets home. Again, this is a real simple meal for us. We'll probably have some sweet pea salad to go with it. That's why I make big batches of it. Yeah, another simple day. So, on this Taco Tuesday, have a great day, eat great food, and have fun cooking.